In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best product on Sam's Club. To get started, head over to the Sam's Club website or open the Sam's Club app on your device. Once you're there, sign in to your membership account so you can access full pricing, member offers, and product availability. This also helps make sure you're seeing the most accurate shopping options for your account. After signing in, you can begin browsing. You can either explore by category if you're still deciding what you want, or use the search bar if you already have a specific item in mind. Searching directly is usually the fastest option, but browsing by category can help if you want to compare several similar products side by side. When your results appear, look for sorting options such as best sellers, top rated, or customer rating, depending on what is available. This is one of the easiest ways to quickly narrow down strong options because it highlights products that are either popular with shoppers or consistently reviewed well. Next, spend a little time reading customer reviews. Reviews can give you useful insight into real-world experiences, including product quality, durability, sizing, taste, or overall satisfaction. Pay attention to repeated comments, since patterns and feedback are often more helpful than a single opinion. As you compare products, check the prices carefully, and don't forget to look at the unit price. A larger package may seem like a better deal at first, but the unit price helps you understand the true value. This is especially helpful when comparing bulk items, household products, or groceries. You should also keep an eye out for Members Mark products. These often offer a strong balance of quality and price, so they can be a smart option when you're trying to get the best value without giving up performance. Before making your choice, check for instant savings and other member-only discounts. These deals can make a noticeable difference in your final total, especially if you're buying multiple items. Once you've narrowed it down, review the full product details. Look through the specifications, size options, ingredients if relevant, and any warranty or return policy information. This step helps you avoid surprises and confirms that the item fits your needs. Then, verify availability by selecting your preferred club location or checking shipping options. That way, you'll know whether the item can be picked up nearby or delivered to you. When you've found the best option, add it to your cart. From there, you can either complete your purchase right away or save the item for later if you want a little more time to compare. And that's how to find the best product on Sam's Club.